What's up? Welcome back to another mixing video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sound like Quannnic in 5 minutes on FL Studio. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so I did a isolating beat thing again, and I got the instrumental, and I just made this cover right here. If you like it, my skin. That I recorded right here, these are actually not inside of the song. I just added those because I wanted to. I know that's not like accurate and shit, but I have it right here, and this is what it sounds like. If you want it, my skin, you'll feel it, and that it feels like you turn. The mix now, it sounds like shit. Like, it actually sounds horrible. And then turn these back on. Alright, let's go. If you looked in my skin, you'll feel the gel. You'll feel the gel. So let's get into this mix. So if you're a fan of my videos and you watch my videos, you know that we use OTT on every single mix that we use. It's a necessity for every single preset that I make. And another necessity for the mix is always just auto-tune. I know that this auto-tune is detuned and like all wonky and shit. Then other than that, everything is stock. So like if I just play the vocals by itself with like the preset. If you looked in my skin, you'll feel the gel. And that it feels like you turn away. Stuff me in. And that's basically it for it. I mean, I don't know what else to do with this because that's all that I have, and I'm trying to be more active on this channel and trying to get a video out every single Friday, but I've been losing hella inspiration and shit, and like I don't even know what to make anymore. Like I need inspiration and I need recommendations and stuff. But next Friday there's definitely going to be another video, and it's going to be a video that can help everyone out, and you can even leave your own recommendation in the comment section and I'll check it out and I'll listen to the artist and I'll try to replicate the sound for a video. And OTT is going to be linked in the description, so is the FL21 and 20 preset for this video. And when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm still going to give away some free presets. I also might make some bundles and stuff, but I'm going to stop ranting, and I'll see you guys in the next video.